Letter Tha is made in 3 steps. The first step is a standing line. Second step, small sleeping line made just above the center part of the letter. Sleeping line, curve and coming down slightly slanted. Third part, headline covers the entire part of the letter. The mistakes in this letters are, in this letter, between the sleeping line and slanting line, it is made as pointed shape. It is not pointed shape, it is slightly curved between this sleeping line and slanting line. And here it is made as a sleeping line and standing line. And here the second step is entirely curved. The second step is sleeping line, curve and slightly slanting. Tha is made in 4 steps. The first step is a circular shape, clockwise and reverse of C. The first step is made in the upper half of the letter and this part should be exactly at the center part of the letter. Second step is curved shape. Third step is standing line. And fourth step is headline covering half part of the letter and it is made on this standing line. The mistakes in this letters are, here the headline is covering the entire part of the letter. For this letter, headline covers only half part of the letter and is made on this standing line. And here in the second step it is made as a sleeping line. Second step is curved shape. Letter Tha is made in 3 steps. The first step is a small standing line. Second step is curved shape ending with a loop slanting a little downwards to right side. This loop should be in line with this standing line. Third step, headline, covers the entire part of the letter. The mistakes in these letters are, here the loop is coming down to left side and here it is made as a curved shape. The loop should slant down a little to right side. Letter Tha is made in 4 steps. The first step begins like a circular shape anti-clockwise like small letter E and first step is made in the upper half of the letter. Second step is a curved shape and this part should be in line with this curve. The third step is standing line. Fourth step is headline covering half part of the letter and it is made on this standing line. Letter Na is made in 3 steps. The first step is circular shape, clockwise ending with a sleeping line. The circular part should be exactly in the middle of the letter. Second step is standing line. Third step is headline covering entire part of the letter. The mistakes in these letters are, here the first step is made in the upper half and here it's made in the lower half. The circular part of the first step should be made in the middle of the letter. And these mistakes can be avoided by following the rules and practicing with proper steps.